Forgot your Trust Wallet passcode and can't get in? Don't worry, it's easier to recover than you think, as long as you've saved your recovery phrase. Here's how to do it. Start by deleting the Trust Wallet app from your device. Press the icon, then choose Uninstall or Delete. Unfortunately, there's no way to reset the passcode within the app itself. Next, reinstall Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. On the first screen, tap I already have a wallet. You'll now be prompted to create a new passcode. Choose something strong but easy for you to remember and re-enter it to confirm. After that, tap Skip when asked to create a new wallet. Instead, select the option to restore using your secret phrase. Agree to the terms by checking the required boxes, then tap Continue. From here, select your preferred network, such as Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain. Now enter your 12-word recovery phrase exactly as it was saved when you first created your wallet. Double-check spelling and word order to avoid errors. Finally, tap Restore Wallet. Your account should now be fully restored and accessible with your new passcode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments if you need help with anything else in Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your crypto.